Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. What's up people, in this particular tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix this particular error. You can see I'm trying to go to my privileges to add a user and I'm getting this particular error. So let me just quickly show you how to solve this error if you're getting this same error. So now what you're going to do is just to head over to where you have your SQL. You can see by the time you scroll here, you will definitely see SQL. Just click on SQL, it's going to open up. So you just scroll down, just for you to scroll down and come to where you have your check all. Just check all and click on repair table. Just click on repair table. Once you click on repair table, it's going to repair any missing errors here. There. Now let's try and see if it's going to work out. So let me just come back here and see. Now head over to my privileges. You can see it is now working fine for me. So if you can even if I should go back to my user account, you can see it's working fine for me. So this is just how to fix this particular error. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.